the early days of Islam, believers prayed facing Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem, following the practice of previous prophets. The Prophet Muhammad and early Muslims adhered to this direction with devotion. 13 years into his prophethood, the messenger of Allah and his followers, who had endured hardship in Mecca, migrated to Medina. Here, the Muslim community began to flourish in numbers and faith. A yearning grew within the hearts of believers to face the Kaaba in Mecca during Salah. The Kaaba, built by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail, held profound spiritual significance. The Prophet desired this change and often turned his face towards the sky, seeking guidance from the Almighty. Allah responded to this earnest wish with divine revelation. The revelation stated, "We have seen the turning of your face, O Muhammad, toward the heaven, and we will surely turn you to a Qibla with which you will be pleased. So turn your face toward Al-Masjid al-Haram." Quran 2:144. With this command, the Qibla was changed to the sacred mosque in Mecca. The news was well received among Muslims, signifying unity towards their spiritual heritage. This change was more than a physical rotation. It represented a strengthening of identity and an unshakable bond with the message of monotheism handed down by previous prophets. The community received it as a sign of Allah's mercy and recognition of their devotion. It illustrated Allah's responsiveness to the prayers of his servants. The change of the Qibla teaches us about Allah's profound understanding of the human spirit's needs, showing that true guidance comes from sincere faith and trust in his wisdom and mercy.